Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever signed up for Mailchimp and added a payment method, you might be wondering exactly how to remove your card when you're done, or if you're simply looking to tidy up your account. Maybe you're switching to a different payment or just want that extra layer of security by keeping unused cards off your profile. Either way, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove a payment method from your Mailchimp account, and I'll walk you through every step to make it clear and painless. Alright, let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to adjust your billing details. This is important because billing info is managed at the account level, not just for individual users or campaigns. If you're managing several Mailchimp accounts, double-check that you're in the right one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your dashboard. Look for your user account icon. Usually, that's either your profile picture or your initials inside a little circle. Clicking on this icon opens up a drop-down menu. From here, look for Account and give it a click. As soon as you're inside your account settings, we're looking for anything related to billing. What you want to do next is look for Account and Billing. Sometimes it might just say Billing, depending on how Mailchimp presents it, but the idea is to navigate to the place where your payment methods live. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the billing area, you'll see a few tabs or sections like Invoices, Subscriptions, or Billing Information. For removing a card, we want Billing Information. Click into that. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load, depending on your connection or Mailchimp's speed. Once you're in the Billing Information section, you'll see the card or payment method currently associated with your Mailchimp account. This is the card Mailchimp uses for all your plan renewals or extra charges, so it's important that any changes here are intentional. Right here, you'll notice an option that says Remove next to the card details. Go ahead and click Remove. Usually, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm just one more time before actually deleting the card, so look out for a confirmation pop-up. Be sure you want to remove it, especially if you have any upcoming campaigns or scheduled payments. Now, you might not always see a Remove button, and if that's the case, don't worry, it's actually a built-in safeguard. If your card is still attached to an active subscription or is the only payment method on file, Mailchimp won't let you simply remove it. That would risk interrupting your current service, and they want to make sure you don't lose access to important features. So if you don't see the option to remove the card, it typically means you'll need to either add a new payment method first or cancel any active paid plans associated with your account. It's Mailchimp's way of making sure you don't accidentally lock yourself out of the things you need. That's all there is to it. Removing a payment method in Mailchimp is straightforward once you know exactly where to click and why certain buttons might be missing. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. If you have any questions about billing, subscriptions, or anything Mailchimp related, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.